Alright, I came home tonight and I discovered I had a screw in my tire. It might not be all the way in. I don't know how long the screw is, but just in case, I thought I'd go ahead and get ready with my little tire plugs here. And I took one out of the package, and I went ahead and threaded up the tool to poke in. You're going to have to bend it back. They're sticky, and it's a little bit of an effort to get them through this needle looking thing. So, and then you got to take the screw out and then ream this out and then shove that thing up in there, and hopefully your air doesn't leak out. I don't think it's going to, but anyway, it just happened to be a nut type. It had I can unscrew it with my drill. Sure enough, it's leaking, so we're gonna sure marked it. Oops, there it is. Okay, let's ream this thing out. You gotta be able to get that plug up in there. You notice I'm not jacked up or anything like that. I'm just right here on the ground with it. So the point is, if you find one of these when you're out someplace, you can do these quick repairs usually without losing too much air. If you haven't lost air already because of the screw or the nail or whatever. All right, so that looks like it should work. Now, the trick is to get this out, put that in. Okay, here we go. It's going to leak air. Got to get it in there pretty quick. Come on, go in there. This is not the best position to be having to do this on. It's easier to do when they're on the front. But laying here on the ground, I'm pushing myself backwards trying to get the thing in the hole. You got to get it down in there to get that thread, that plug, into the hole. All right, getting in there, but I'm going to go ahead and push it on in there some more. Okay, I know it's in there now. So now I have to give it a quick yank and hope I don't pull it back out. Here we go. And there it is. I've just plugged it up, and that should be good enough to hold it. I'll trim that off now, and I'll be good to go. And that's what it was right there. Just a screw. All right. Well, I hope... Yeah. All right. Well, I hope somebody might learn something from that. I just thought I'd do that little quick video. Bye for now.